Assalamu alaikum and welcome. Let us see the question given by one of the student. So the question is that, so in a circle there is a chord of length 8 meters. Okay, length is 8 meters and the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. And the tangents drawn from P and Q join at T. Okay, now you have to find QT. So this is the question. So let us see the question now. Yeah, let us see the answer, what to do. Let us join O and T. Okay, see, first I'll explain you the question. Answer. So I will explain you how the solution comes, and then I'll go to stepwise. Okay. See, if this is 5, and when I join O and T, this will be 90 degrees. We have to prove that this is 90 degrees. We will prove it. So since it is 90 degrees, in grade 9 we have studied that if you draw a perpendicular through the center onto the chord, it bisects. So therefore this will be 4 centimeters and this also will become 4 centimeters. Okay, these two will become 4 centimeters. After that, so 5, 4, since this is hypotenuse, so 3. This is our Pythagorean triplet. So let us take this point as OM. OM is equal to 3. Now what to do? See, now let us take this triangle. This is radius and this is tangent, therefore it is perpendicular. When I take green triangle, okay, what will happen? The green triangle, what will happen? Hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square, right? So what is hypotenuse here? OT. OT square is equal to, what is altitude? Altitude you can take it as QT square plus base you take it as 5 square. Okay, OT square is equal to QT square plus 5 square. So now in this triangle, only in this triangle, what is the angle? This is also 90 degrees. So let me take this triangle. Hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. Okay, so in this triangle, what is hypotenuse? QT. QT square is equal to, what is altitude? Altitude is MT square plus what is base? So base is QM. So QM is what? 4 square. Okay, and now okay, QT square is equal to MT square plus 4. Now I got QT square is equal to MT square plus 4. Let me substitute in this equation. So what will happen? It is, in place of QT square, MT square plus 16 plus 5 square is 25. Okay, and OT. OT is the bigger line, right? Can I take it as OM plus MT? So OT is equal to OM plus MT whole square is equal to, on right hand side it will be 16 plus 25 will be 41. Okay, so now what happens? OM. What is OM? It is 3. So 3 square plus 2 into 3 into MT plus MT square is equal to MT square plus 41. So MT square and MT square gets cancelled. So what is left out? 3 square is 9. 9 plus 6 MT and is equal to 41. So 6 MT is equal to 41 minus 9. So 6 MT is equal to 32. So MT is equal to 32 by 6. So I can take it as 16 by 3. And when I substitute MT in place of this, okay, I'll get QT as 20 by 3 once I solve. Understood or not? So this is the problem, and now I'll explain you step by step. Give me 1 minute. I'll rearrange it. Yeah. So now you understood, right, what to do. So let me draw the problem now. Let me draw one more time. So what is, this is the circle given, and you have a chord which is of 8 centimeters. So this is P and this is Q. You have 8 centimeters, and after that it has been given that radius is equal to 5 centimeters, right? And the tangents at this point, the P and the Q, intersect at T. See, there are 3 steps mainly. The first thing is, when we join QP and QT, we have to prove that this angle is 90 degrees. That is the first step of this problem. Okay, let us do, and here is my marker, second marker, yes. So let us do that first step. So what we are supposed to do, sorry, let us take this as O. Okay, this is O. Now what is our main step? We have to prove that this angle is equal to 90 degrees. How do you prove that this angle is 90 degrees? By congruency. We have done it in grade 9, but still, okay, otherwise you can also say that the line joining center and the chord is perpendicular to radius. If you want me to prove, I will prove. Anyways, I'll prove, we can write it, I will prove it. Let us go for the proof. So what is this triangle? The blue one, OQT. Is this 90 degrees? Okay, because radius is perpendicular to tangent. So in triangle OQT and triangle OPT, so OQ is equal to OP, OQ is equal to OP. Why? Radii of same circle. And after that, QT is equal to PT. QT is equal to PT. It is the tangents. The tangents from same external point are equal. Okay, and after that, OT is common. OT is equal to OT. So this is common. So therefore, by OQ, QT and OT, by SSS congruency, I am writing in shortcut, SSS congruency, triangle OQT is congruent to triangle OPT. Am I right? So when these two are congruent, these two triangles, the green one and the blue one are congruent, this angle is equal to this angle, and after that these two angles are also equal. How do you say? Because by CPCT. Okay, let me write the next step over here. By CPCT. By CPCT, what is this angle? QTO. Angle QTO is equal to angle PTO. Is it right? Now let me take this triangle, the shaded one, and this one. Okay, what is this triangle? In triangle, what is this? Let us say the intersection point is M. QMT, triangle QMT and the triangle PMT, triangle PMT. So what are equal? QT is equal to PT. Reason? Tangents. Tangents drawn from same external point are equal. You have to write the reason full. And after that, QT, then TM. MT is equal to MT. Common. And after that, see, these two angles, this one, these two are equal now. So what do you say about these two angles? These are already proved. So angle QTO is equal to angle PTO by CPCT. These two are equal. So when these three parts are equal, side included angle, side. So by SAS congruency, triangle QMT is congruent to triangle PMP. So when these two triangles are congruent, what will you say about these two angles? These two angles are equal, right? PMT. So by CPCT, angle PMT is equal to angle QMT, and that is equal to 90 degrees. Sir, why do you say 90 degrees, sir? Because they are linear pair. Understood or not? You can write the reason, linear pair. Okay, so this is the first part of this problem. Okay, you please take care of this and write it down. Now I am going to rub it. So now we have proved that this is 90 degrees, all these angles, and in grade 9 we have studied the perpendicular drawn from the center onto the chord bisects the chord. This bisects the chord. So total is 8 centimeters. So this will become 4 and 4 centimeters. Is it right? So you write the steps. We know that perpendicular drawn through center bisects the chord. So that implies PM is equal to QM is equal to 4 centimeters. So here, what is this? This is a right angle, right? This is the right angle triangle, and 5, 4, and what it will be the height? So it will be 3 centimeters. Why? Pythagorean triplet, 5, 4, 3 are Pythagorean triplet. So that implies OM is equal to 3 centimeters. So you can write Pythagoras theorem by Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean triplet. You can write anything. So now you got OM. This is our second step. Getting OM is second step. Now what to do? So now you take these two triangles, because I have to find out QT, right? QT or PT, both are same. So when I see QT, I have QT common in this right angle. Okay. So and also it is common in this right angle also. Is it right? So this is our third step. So second step, please remember, and I'm going to rub it because there is no place. So after this, what you do? You just take now in bigger triangle OQT. Let me take smaller triangle. Okay, in triangle QMT. This is 90 degrees, right? So this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. नहीं, reflection होगा. So hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. So what is hypotenuse here? QT square. QT square is equal to, what is altitude? Altitude is MT square. MT square plus, what is base? This is already we have proved, it is 4. So 4 square. Is it right? So this will be our first equation. Now let us take in bigger right angle triangle. Where is it? This one. So in triangle OTQ. Hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. So in this triangle we have 90 degrees over here. So this one is right angle triangle, right? Because radius and the tangent, it is 90 degrees. So therefore, what is hypotenuse? OT square. OT square is equal to, what is altitude? Altitude you can take it as QT square plus, what is base square? Base square is 5 square. So that implies, so in one, what did we get? QT square is equal to MT square plus 4 square. So just substitute it, is equal to MT square plus 4 square. 4 square means 16 plus 5 square is 25. So that implies OT square is equal to, here OT square, how can I write? Is it OM square plus MT square? So sorry, OT is equal to OM plus MT whole square is equal to MT square plus 41. That implies, now what is OM? We already got, this is 3. So therefore it is 3 square plus 2 into 3 into MT plus MT square is equal to, on right hand side we have MT square plus 41. Both sides we have MT square, so can I cancel it? Okay. Now that is equal to, what is 3 square? 9 plus 6 MT is equal to 41. If I transpose this, I will get 6 MT is equal to 41 by, 41 minus 9. So that is equal to 32. That implies MT is equal to 32 divided by 6. That is equal to 16 divided by 3. So what did I get? MT is equal to 16 divided by 3. You please take the screenshot of this and copy, because I am going to use okay. Now MT is equal to, I got 16 divided by 3, right? This is the last step, fourth step. What is fourth step? We got MT is equal to 16 by 3. Substitute QT square is equal to MT square plus 4, 16. So what is MT square? I got it as 16 divided by 3 whole square plus 16. So that implies QT square is equal to 16 into 16 divided by 3 into 3 plus 16. Both I have, you can do anyway, but I love to do it by simplifying the numbers. So I'll take 16 common. If I take 16 common, what is left out? 16 by 9, and plus when I take 16 common from 16, it will be 1. Take LCM. So that implies QT square is equal to 16 into 16 plus 9 divided by 9. So that is equal to 16 into 25 by 9. So that implies QT square. Okay. Now if I transpose this square, what will happen? QT is equal to square root of 16 into 25 divided by 9. So square root of 16 is 4, and square root of 25 is 5, and square root of 9 is 3. So that is equal to 20 divided by 3. And I got 20 divided by 3 QT. It is nothing but PT. Therefore, this is the answer. Got it, my dear student? Thank you. Thank you. If you understand, please like, share and subscribe. And if you still have any doubt, please feel free to comment and send me a message. Okay? Take care, my dear students. Bye.